Tired of using the same old tools that just don't cut it anymore? Whether you're a DIY warrior, a weekend woodshop wizard, or a seasoned pro, these 12 tools will elevate your workflow like never before. Stay tuned, because each one packs a punch that'll leave your toolbox jealous. Number 1. If you often deal with stubborn bolts or tight mechanical spaces, the Libertton 3/8" drive-long impact hex bit socket set is like having a precision toolkit on steroids. These 6-inch sockets are designed for extra reach in deep or awkward spots, perfect when a regular hex key just won't do. Crafted from S2 steel and CRV socket alloy, they're built tough to handle impact force and heavy-duty work without flinching. Plus, the rust-resistant phosphate coating means they'll stay reliable in rough conditions. The set includes both metric and SAE sizes, from 3mm to 12mm and 1/8 to 7/16 inch, so you're covered no matter the job. Each bit is laser marked and stored in a tidy, blow-molded case, so grabbing the right one is quick and easy. Whether you're wrenching in the garage or tackling a DIY home fix, this set delivers pro-level durability, safety, and convenience in a solid, no-nonsense package. Number 2. If you've ever juggled sockets while working in tight spaces, the Powerbuilt 9-piece universal joint socket set is a game changer. Its flexible joint lets you twist and turn through awkward angles, making hard-to-reach bolts way less frustrating. What sets it apart is the quick change feature. You pop sockets on and off without slowing down, which means more time tightening and less time fiddling. The chrome molybdenum steel feels solid in your hand, built to handle impact and keep going through heavy jobs. Each socket size is etched, so you're not squinting or guessing under low light. Whether you're working under the hood or tackling home repairs, this set gives you dependable strength and smooth maneuverability. Plus, everything packs neatly into a sturdy box, keeping your gear sorted and ready. It's one of those pro-grade kits that makes wrenching easier, cleaner, and just a lot more satisfying. Number 3. If you're tackling plumbing or mechanical jobs that need a gentler touch, the Lennux Pliers wrench is built to deliver precision and speed. Its 3-inch parallel smooth jaws are perfect for plated fittings and flushometers. No scratches, no damage. What makes it a standout is the quick ratchet close paired with a push-button release, so you can swap sizes up to 2 times faster than regular pliers. The matte chrome finish doesn't just look sleek, it shrugs off corrosion like a pro, keeping your tool reliable in messy environments. Crafted from hardened steel, it's made for long-term performance without flex or wear. The slim jaw profile slides easily into tight spots, and the comfort grips feel great during extended use. It's one of those rare hand tools that blends control and toughness into one smooth motion. If you're after speed, precision, and durability all in one go, this wrench absolutely pulls its weight. Number 4. When you're working in tight corners or dealing with materials that don't play nice, the Lennux Folding Jab Saw is a solid choice. Its aluminum locking mechanism keeps the blade secure, so you're not dealing with any wobbles mid-cut. The handle holds standard reciprocating saw blades, which means you've got flexibility without needing a full power tool. It's perfect for quick flush cuts when a hacksaw isn't on hand, and it folds up neatly, making it easy to carry without the risk of a loose blade poking around. The trifold design isn't just for looks. It gives you sturdy leverage while cutting through drywall, plaster, wood, plastic, and even metal. Whether you're on a job site, fixing something at home, or tackling a DIY remodel, this jab saw slides into your toolkit and earns its keep. Quick, secure, versatile, it's a small tool that punches way above its weight. Number 5. When you're flipping bits mid-job and trying not to drop a single socket, the Malco 7-in-1 Flip It Set seriously delivers. It's got 3 color-coded sockets that are cleanable, reversible, and stackable, so you're not chasing pieces around your tool bag. The CRHEX sockets stay locked onto the shaft, even when you're shifting fast on a busy site. That magnet? Super strong. It grabs fasteners with confidence and saves you from fumbling at awkward angles. Built to take a beating, This impact-rated set works with any driver or the Connects 3 handle, giving you some real flexibility. The snug fit means no wobble, no stripped heads, and no tip-outs. Plus, with easy maintenance and quick swaps, it keeps up with everything from HVAC installs to auto repair. Whether you're working overhead, under the hood, or in tight corners, this set makes those annoying bit changes a total non-issue. Number 6. If you work with HVAC, plumbing, or anything involving soft metal tubing, the Libertton flaring toolkit makes life easier and cleaner. It comes packed with clamps for both SAE and metric sizes, so whether you're flaring 1/4 inch copper or 19mm aluminum, you're covered. The secret weapon is the 45 degrees eccentric cone that produces smooth flares without leaks, giving you reliable joints every time. The rotating handle even has a built-in clutch that stops when the job's done. A smart little touch that protects from overcranking. The included pipe cutter and deburring tool let you clean up cuts and prep pipe ends fast, streamlining the whole process. You get a neat all-in-one kit that handles flaring, trimming, and cleanup, all stashed in a compact box. If you're doing installations or repairs in air conditioners, refrigerators, or heaters, this toolkit saves time and headaches while keeping the results sharp and professional. Number 7. If you've ever struggled with grease fittings that leak, slip, or need a third hand to stay on, the Lock and Lube grease coupler is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. It locks onto Zerk fittings with a satisfying click, stays in place without leaking, and lets you use both hands on the grease gun. Goodbye awkward wrestling. Rated for a whopping 10,000 PSI, it handles serious pressure like a champ. You get a rebuild kit included, so it's not just a one-and-done tool, it's built to last. Whether you've got a classic manual grease gun or a modern battery-powered beast, this coupler fits right in. It works with all SAE and metric Zerk fittings, and swapping it on is simple with its thumb lever locking system. It's honestly one of those clever little tools that makes greasing cleaner, faster, and a whole lot less frustrating. Once you try it, you won't go back. Number 8. If you're into diagnosing electrical issues without guesswork, this automotive circuit tester is a lifesaver. It gives super accurate readings from 3 to 48 volts with 0.1 volts precision, so whether you're checking a car battery or a home appliance, you're getting the real numbers. The dual LED indicators, red for positive and green for negative, make polarity easy to spot, reducing connection errors on the fly. With a 96-inch spring cable, you've got reach for even the trickiest spots under the hood or behind tight panels. It's built to last too, with tough ABS housing and a stainless steel probe that handles everyday wear like a champ. The digital display keeps things clear, even in dim lighting. From fuse checks to circuit testing, this one tool covers a lot of ground. If you want quick, clean diagnostics without second-guessing your voltage readings, this tester is definitely worth having in your kit. Number 9. If tracking down electrical issues feels like finding a needle in a haystack, the FLIR 286 German marks makes it a whole lot easier. This high-tech thermal imager packs a FLIR Lepton sensor that visually pinpoints heat anomalies with infrared-guided measurement, so instead of guessing, you're focused exactly where the trouble hides. It's great for inspections, diagnostics, or just speeding up maintenance checks. The IR camera delivers crisp 19,200 pixel thermal visuals with a wide temp range from -5 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. So whether it's a cold spot in your breaker panel or an overheated wire, you'll catch it. The MeterLink app lets you capture images, analyze readings, and generate reports all from your phone, slick and efficient. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that last 6.5 hours in thermal mode and up to 10 hours using the multimeter. If you're serious about getting accurate, fast diagnostics, this is one tool that pays for itself quickly. Number 10. If you're dealing with stubborn bolts in heavy-duty settings, CSU Safe Wrench is built to keep you safer and more efficient on the job. This 12-point steel striking wrench isn't just tough, it's smart. The spring washer setup locks the wrench securely onto the bolt, which means you can focus both hands on your hammer without worrying about slippage or holding the wrench in place. That simple change adds a huge layer of safety and control, especially during overhead or high-impact tasks. It also doubles as a counter wrench, giving you even more versatility without adding extra tools to your kit. Built for 1 7/16" fasteners, it's perfect for maintenance teams, construction crews, and anyone working in industrial or mechanical environments. Whether you're tightening or breaking loose bolts, this wrench gives you confidence with every strike. It's one of those tools that quietly makes hard jobs a lot easier and a lot safer. Number 11. Whether you're deep in electronics work or navigating a tight mechanical repair, the WeHa 65-piece System 4 Master Technician Set is a toolkit that feels like a trusted extension of your hands. The cushion grip handle is not just comfortable, it's ESD safe, making it perfect for delicate circuitry. The 72-tooth ratchet with a 5 degrees arc swing slips easily into tight spaces, giving you smooth control without the wrist strain. Add the microbit adapter and the 100mm extension, and suddenly it's a multi-tool powerhouse ready for every situation. The hex profile grip and rotating cap make fine torque adjustments feel instinctive and precise, while the micro machine tips hold fasteners snugly, reducing slip-outs and damage. Whether you're building, repairing, or just tinkering, this set offers the kind of accuracy and dependability that pros swear by. It's not just a toolkit, it's your new go-to problem solver. Number 12. If you're constantly wrestling with oddball fasteners that no regular wrench seems to fit, the SST Precision Spanner Wrench from Stupid Simple Tools is a sweet upgrade. It's smooth, precise, and built for the kind of jobs that make you dig through every drawer in your shop. You get 12 pairs of steel pins, both metric and imperial, and they're laser marked so you can spot the right size instantly. The arm gives you 160 millimeters of reach with a full 180 degrees of movement, and the pivot tension adjusts to keep things steady but nimble. It feels sturdy in the hand and offers just the right amount of finesse for delicate hardware. Everything packs into a sleek carry case, making it easy to stash and grab on the go. Whether you're in aviation, watch repair, or just battling obscure bolts, this kit turns frustration into a 5-second fix. It's a small tool that quietly solves big headaches.